There's a reason I always place glasses on the door handle like this. I worked in hotels for many years. This trick was shared with me by a frequent guest who's been using it for years. Everyone should know it. Many hotel rooms don't have any additional lock on the inside, and anyone with a duplicate key card can open the door from the outside. If you're staying somewhere unfamiliar and want to feel safer, this simple method can help you sleep more peacefully. All you need are 2 glasses from the hotel room. Hang one horizontally on the handle, sliding it in as deep as possible. Then place the second glass upright on top of the first. Leave it like this overnight. If someone tries to open the door, the glasses will fall and make a loud noise. You'll wake up immediately, and the noise will scare off the intruder. This trick is simple but highly effective. It's used not only by solo travelers, but also by flight crew and hotel staff, who often sleep in unfamiliar places.